How to extract audio on CapCut. Are guests facing issues to extract audio on CapCut application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open CapCut on your mobile device. Once you open the CapCut, now select the project that you want to extract audio on. After you open the project, now click on the video. After you click on video, now look at the bottom of your screen where you can see multiple options. Drag it to the left side. Once you drag it, you will be able to see the option for extract audio. So as you guys can see, here's the extract audio icon. Click on it. After you click on it, your audio will be extracted instantly. And that's it guys, that's how you're going to extract audio on CapCut application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding CapCut, make sure to comment down below. Bye bye.